Immigrants in this country illegally fighting to drive legally. A group of illegals now suing the state of Oregon to overturn a voter-approved plan that outlaws licenses because it hurts their chances of finding a job. Dan Springer explains the legal battle ahead.
Leah and Heather, legal experts say this lawsuit is a long shot. Two-thirds of Oregon voters rejected the law giving licenses to illegal immigrants. It was a referendum on a law passed by the legislature. The plaintiffs have to show that the campaign against the driver's licenses was racist and aimed at hurting a powerless minority group, specifically illegals from Mexico and Central America. The other argument they're using is that the state does not have a legitimate reason for denying illegal immigrants the ability to legally drive in Oregon. We spoke with one illegal immigrant from Mexico who's been driving without a license in the U.S. for 27 years.
If the illegal get a driver's license, it would be better because there's more opportunities to find a job as a driver, to move around the city with a confidence.
But a vast majority of the country disagrees. 40 states require legal proof of residency before issuing a driver's license. And in Oregon, a blue state, 35 of 36 counties voted to prevent illegals from getting licenses. Oregonians for Immigration Reform led the referendum effort. Leaders say it was not about race, but rather jobs, national security, and what's right.
There is no inherent right for somebody that's here illegally to be able to get a driver's license. That isn't a constitutional right. They don't deserve it because they made it here illegally.
A recent study concluded illegal immigration costs Oregonians $1 billion a year, and that's before having to defend the voters' decision that driving is a privilege and should be reserved for those who are in the country legally. Leah, Heather, back to you.
Dan Springer, thank you. So let's keep talking about this. Do illegals suing for driver's licenses have a case? Debate it right after the show on the Fox and Friends First Facebook page. #KeepTalking.